So this is my mission. I need to move this mower 11 miles. I could get a flatbed trailer, but I don't want to do that. I want to travel those 11 miles and see what it would be like if I was traveling cross country on a riding mower. Join me now on my trip. I did it. I got that lawn tractor moved almost 11 miles. I did have one turnaround to avoid being chased by farm dogs because even the slowest dog could catch me on that lawn tractor. But I got it moved with no trouble, other than it took a couple of hours. Thanks for watching.